Hello everybody, Ryan Manley, American Financial Network, Dream Home Funder team, your favorite loan officer. As we roll into 2020, I want to share a strategy with you for right-sizing or downsizing for those seniors out there that are looking to retire without a mortgage payment. So downsizing with a home equity conversion mortgage for purchase can be a great option for you. Now let's go over a scenario really quick where we just help somebody, and if it helps you guys, please share with someone that might be in the situation. So retired couple, they owned a 2-story house, way too big for them. They didn't want dual levels, a lot of maintenance, upkeep in the yard, so they want to get out of it. They sold it for $600,000 cash, and they're looking at a property for $400,000 in a 55 plus retirement community that had the lifestyle that they wanted. And so they could easily just pay cash and had $200,000 left over, whereas the home equity conversion mortgage for purchase was a much better tool and option for them. So they were able to get into the house, and they only had to put $220,000 down, and this accomplished the goal of not having a mortgage payment, and all they had to do was pay their taxes and insurance and HOA each month. So that included down payment, closing costs, everything, that $220,000, and now they have $380,000 to put back into funding their retirement and continuing living the life that they'd like to, and the retirement of their dreams. So if you know someone in this situation or planning on the strategy for 2020, please reach out to me, Ryan at dreamhomefunder.com, dreamhomefunder.com, and you can always call me at 480-203-6263. Thanks and have a great day.